Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Norton Password Manager for safer FinTech logins, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Norton website. Log into your Norton account or create a new one if you don't have it. Once logged in, locate the Norton Password Manager section. Click on the download button to install Norton Password Manager. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, launch the Norton Password Manager application. If prompted, log in using your Norton account credentials. Once inside the application, you'll notice an option to add passwords. Click on Add Password to start entering your financial accounts. Input the name of the FinTech service you want to add. Enter your username or email associated with that service. Now, add your password for that FinTech account. For extra security, you can enable the Generate Password feature for stronger passwords. Once all details are entered, click Save to store your FinTech login credentials securely. Next, check the browser extension for Norton Password Manager. Ensure it is enabled in your web browser settings. When visiting the FinTech website, click on the Norton Password Manager icon in your browser. This will prompt you to autofill your saved credentials. If necessary, adjust the autofill settings to better suit your preferences. Consider enabling two-factor authentication on your FinTech accounts for added security. Periodically review and update your saved passwords in the Norton Password Manager. This ensures that your credentials remain secure and up to date. Familiarize yourself with the security features offered by Norton, such as breach alerts and password health check. By following these steps, you enhance your online safety while managing FinTech logins effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.